Good morning to the Kringles Society around the world. I am Olorunlu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within the Kringles Society. On my broadcast today, I'll be talking and sharing with you on obstacle or opportunities. Fellow Tibetians and for as many who are watching this broadcast wherever you are, when winners see problems, they think solution. And when losers see problems, they think problems. That is a quote ascribed to Hamba Besson. What are you seeing? Problems to think of the solution, and that makes you a winner. For many, life is filled with problems and impediments. This, yeah, and they see difficulties everywhere they turn to, and they either stop in their tracks or begin to bomade their lots. Only very few see challenges and opportunities inside those problems. Only very few. In the course of prospecting, in the course of bringing people into the Kringles community, we are faced with a lot of challenges, a lot of difficulties. But are you seeing that as a problem and think of the solution? More so on our daily lives, we are faced with different problems here and there. And because of our vision to bring humanity back to abundance, to restore humanity back to abundance, to change the status quo, to change the scarcity and the lack mentality. Are you seeing problems? And are you thinking of the solution? Or is it just problems you are seeing and you think it's problem? We got the solution. But great men of old have proved to us that obstacles are the raw materials for greatness. Yes, those challenges we face in the course of our prospecting, they are things to gear us up to learn much more and better ways of prospecting, of understanding what we are doing, the vision, and bringing men to the community. Problems are menus for champions. Don't forget, for you to be great within the community, to have enough Bitcoin bounties, to have enough referrals, to accumulate enough of coins pending when we end our distribution period. Yes, you need to be a champion, a winner that sees problems and think of the solution. Every problem has an opportunity embedded in it, and every opportunity has its own problem attached. What do you see? What do you want to see? The problems or the opportunities? For as many who are listening to this broadcast anywhere, are you seeing the problems and are you considering paying off your monthly program fee or your annual program fee as a problem? No, see it as an opportunity for you to build fortune, to build fortune for the future. Don't see it, don't see it as a problem. No. Look at a particular situation you are right now and try to figure out those challenging circumstances. Wow, I can't pay my program fee, I can't get referrals, I can't get people to come to know. Then look for a way out to educate them the more, to prosper them the more, and to bring about then registering and coming to the community. That is why they truly are challenging. All those situations that you see around you that seems to be difficult, that is why they are truly challenging. You are challenged to see the opportunities and make good use of them. You are challenged to think and to work hard. You are challenged to persist. Yes, our target is to bring 1 billion people together within the community. Don't forget, we need to end the distribution fast. We need to bring men, people, a lot of people into the community so that we can indeed eradicate poverty through a multiplying effect of men and women who has their abundance. The more the problem, the more the opportunities to be great. Problems are opportunities in work clothes. So, what are you seeing? What are you seeing, guys? Don't focus on the problems. Focus and think on how you can bring solution to it. You can be that solution. TBC is one of the solutions to the problems that this world is facing, to the problems of humanity. Join hands by thinking how can you contribute your quota towards bringing a solution. So, guys, part of it is what? Get yourself educated on a lot of things within the community. Pay your program fee regularly. Either you pay the monthly or you pay the annual fee, and you are sure covered for the next 1 year. Try to attend various meetings. Try to build the community. And also, now that we are building different various assemblies, join us to build it. Food Subsidy Center, we need to get at least 8,000 paid members within different communities, different localities. Do your best to actualize this. We shall indeed enjoy the dividend of all our work. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Bless you. I want you to like this broadcast. I also want you to subscribe to it for subsequent and to share to your loved ones. Bless you, TBC. So about right. Indeed. Bless you.